Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $74.01. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, I have clearly explained that at this level we have seen after October of 24. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, we can see it will cross a level of around 74.7, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards 75.5. Okay, and above a level of 75.5, then there will be a chances of crossing a level of 77 will also be there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. But if the price started coming towards 72.7 and then below a level of 72.7, chance of touching 71.5 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 67 also, and this level is already being weak, so once started crossing a level of 67, a further downfall will be there. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, when there is a zone breakout, you already know that there is a higher chances that the price can go further upside or downside. Okay, so chances can be high that there is it has moved after a, you can say, for around 2 months, 2-3 months already, that then there is a chance that it can go further upside. But if started touching again towards a level of 72.2, then a bounce back can come. But if that didn't come, we can see that it will move in this zone. If you look at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that once the price sustain above a level of 107.5, chances was very high it can go towards 108, and then from the level of 108.5, and once started sustaining over 108.5, it will cross a level of 109. See, if it has already touched a level of 109.5, now if the price keeps sustaining over 109.5, see, it has come below a level of 109, it can touch a level of 108 and a bounce back can come, and then it can go towards 109 to a level of 109.5, and then it can go towards a level of 110, and then from there a level of $111, and then a further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards 108, from there a level of 108.1, then to a level of 108, and from there a level of 107.5 to a level of 107.2, and then a further low will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, always try to put your SL when you start your trade, and once you profit, try to trail the SL so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Okay, so when I'm saying the dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price will come down. Similarly, the dollar index started going down, we will see the crude price will go up. This is what we can see, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. Okay, so you have to put this SL as well as trail your SL, so you can uncertainty, you can reduce the uncertainty. On the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the crude price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of $74.5. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, chances are high that it can touch a level of $75.5. This 74.5 is already being tested, so chances of touching 75.5 will be there, and once the price sustaining above a level of 75.5, we will see it will touch a level of 76.8, and then once the price moving above a level of 76.8, probability of crossing a level of around 77.13 is there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout we can see, then a probability of touching a level of 77.61 is there, and then we can see it will go further upside towards a level of $78.58. Again, I repeat that once the price sustain above this level, we can see a level of 74.5, and because this level is already being tested, so chances of touching 75.5 will be there, and then it can go towards a level of around 76.8. Okay, 76.8 is already being a weak resistance. I have clearly explained you, but it's a strong level. Okay, so chances are high once the price sustain above level 76.8, we can see a level of $77.6. Okay, and once the price moving above level of 77.6, we can see a level of 78.9, and then a further upside, because once the price sustain above a level of 77, we can see a further upside, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see a further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see? Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards its next support of $72.7, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 71.4. okay, a level 71.4, we can see a bounce back can come, but if started falling below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $70.6, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 68.6. this 68.6 is already being a weak support, so you have to understand, once the price started falling below this level, it can cross a level of $78.6. after crossing a level of 70.6, it can touch a level of $70, and once started crossing this level, it can cross a level of 78. After 70.6, we can see a level of 70, and then a level of 78.6, which is also being tested, so it will cross a level of $67.7, and from there it will move below a level of $67.1. okay, this is also being tested, so then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards 66.3. okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of 65.3. okay, this is the zone we have seen. okay, and then a further downfall will be there, so chances of crossing a level of 65.3 will be there, and then a 64 we can see, and from there a level of $63.43. okay, after 65.5 we can see a level of around 63.43, and then a further downfall will be there. okay, so you have to understand that once the price started falling below $71.8, it can touch a level of 70.3, and then from there a level of 68.7, which is already being tested. Moving further down will be there, so it can go after crossing a level of $66, it can touch a level of around 65.5, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards a level of 64, and then from there a level of around 63, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. So if the price started falling below 65, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. okay, so you have to keep this level, a level of 71 in mind, then there will in this zone. okay, and a level of around $67.8. this two level you have to keep it in mind. okay, that once started going below this level, a further downfall we can see, but if it keeps sustaining above level of 72.2, we can see there will be an upside. okay, any doubt regarding, I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.